So it's just a quick video today. When I was down at my daughter's in Didcot and walking through these cornfields, it's a really lovely walk. But anyway, I was admiring this compost bin and it looked amazing. You know, I was thinking, wow, look at all that compost, that would be great, horse manure or whatever. And when I walked past today, it's like a smouldering heap, all the wood's burnt away. And yeah, it's burning, well, it was burning quite a lot. I just walked around the other side and there's still a little patch burning there. Quite a sight, really. You think of the heat that must be generated in the middle of that huge compost bin. So the first thing I thought was, well, as soon as I get home, I need to go and check my little compost bin and see how hot it's got. I did try to get it hot because it would be full of weed seeds at this time of year. And so I'm hoping it's hot. I'm hoping it's not that hot. So I'm back on my plot and let's just take a look at this compost bin. And that's looking pretty good. About 65 degrees centigrade. Definitely killing some weeds there. Hope you like this quick video. How hot does your compost bin get? My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.